Hello everyone, welcome to my channel UG Economics. I hope you guys are doing very well. Right, so I'm going to discuss in the lecture series mostly about CUET entrance exam 2024 questions. Okay, so initially I will be covering all the major questions for which students may need help, right? And beyond that, if you need any further assistance on a specific question, you can post it in the comment box below, right, and ask me query and I shall get back to you on that. Now after that, I will come up with more lecture series on previous year entrance exam questions. Okay, so I hope all these lecture series is going to be very much helpful to you if you are looking forward to CUET entrance exam of 2025, right? So and all these months are good enough to practice all the content material as well as looking at the past years through the CUET entrance exam questions, right? So let's get started, and if you do really like the channel, please do like and subscribe to it. Thank you so much.